Alright, hello everyone. It is now time for Basement Fire Alarm Test 42. But before we get started, I have some guests on Discord, so go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Simplex Fire Alarm Guy.
A Vintage Fire Alarm Guy, aka Photo Code 450D here.
Cool. So we have them on my Discord. So if you want to join, the link to that will be in the description. But we have some devices to go look at, so we'll go ahead and do that. The pull station today, I have my Firelight BG10, nice and standard. It's got a different type of screw in it, but that's not original. That was a modification at some point. But here it is. It's a nice Firelight BG10. For the horn strobe today, I have my Gentex SHG-4-1575WR, I think is the model number of that. It's a slightly older variation of it. As you can see, the strobe doesn't have any real texturing on it, but it still has a reflector in it. It also has the older type of horn that can do march time, and that is what it's set to. However, the panel will be doing 20 beats per minute march time. So it'll be doing march time, but, you know, turning on and off. So that's our horn strobe for today. Alright, so before we get started, do you guys have anything you want to say?
No, nothing really.
Nah, nothing here.
Alright, cool. Alright, so we are now ready to pull the fire alarm. So, here we go. Alright, so we are silenced, and we have the audible silence like usual. So we'll go ahead and reset our pull station. Alright, so resetting this is just as simple as turning a little screw counterclockwise. And I'll go ahead and open it real quick. There's a warning label on there, and you can see it is marked as just a regular BG10. So, to finish resetting it, gotta make sure I got the screw in there good. Then we'll put the screw back, and whatever you do, make sure you don't tighten this too much. So that's good, and we are reset. And there's another shot of audible silence. You could probably hear it when I was testing, but that horn is a little bit scratchy for whatever reason. These screws might be a little tight, so not sure. And it's doing a little bit of a weird flash there. You could probably hear it. The capacitor sound a little weird every few times it does it. So we'll go ahead and reset. And we'll go ahead and reset this. And the system is reset. So, before I end the video, You guys can say some stuff if you'd like. Maybe. I was saying that I was about ready to end the video, so if you want to say anything, now's your chance.
Oh. Don't forget to come check out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope we get to see you all there.
All right. I'll go ahead and throw a link into your channel as well in the description, and for you, Simplex Fire Alarm Guy. So,
Alright.
with that said, that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and to check out all of the links in my description. Thank you, and have a great day.